Hi, I'm Sakib Rahaman, a first year MbBS student at Government Medical College, Gopalganj. I'm a bit excited about a fact that I'm going to share with you, and there are some important things that I'm going to discuss with all of you. The very first thing is the day after tomorrow, on 12th September, I'm going to my college for the first time to be settled. I'm going my college hostel and I will be there from now on. Why? Because from the very next day, from 13th September, our classes will be started offline. All these days after getting in a medical college, I was attending online classes. And you know that online classes and offline classes, these things are quite different, right? You will get two different experiences in these two different types of situations. And especially a time when you have faced a lot of lockdown. We are all in lockdown for a lot of time, for a very good amount of time. It has been very long since we last went to any institution, right? Let it be any institution, it might be school, college, or any university. We could go nowhere because of this lockdown. And alhamdulillah that the situation is getting good and everything is going to get opened. We are going to have the floor to attend all those institutions again. And you know that our admission tests were about to get postponed, but fortunately it took place on time. The health ministry anyway managed to hold the admission test, the medical admission test this year, and eventually it happened despite having some terrible situations of coronavirus. The many of us who have got elected for medical colleges, we are going to get settled in our hostel very soon, and we are going to attend offline classes very soon. So the news for you is, as I'm going to my college, I will have a lot of new experiences, a lot of new people whom I will be meeting. So overall a new circumstance. So I will try out making a lot of videos, making you see my campus, helping you see my daily lifestyles and a lot of stuffs like how I study, how I am passing my days, how I am dealing with my friends, and all those stuffs associated with that. So I am gonna make a lot of videos going to my college, going to share my experiences with you as well. So this is the very thing that I felt like sharing with you, and hoping that from now on you will get a lot of videos, because this channel was not that very active for last couple of months. Even for a year, I am not that active to upload videos. I was uploading a lot of study related videos, but from now on I'll be making a lot of lifestyle types of videos and a lot of my experience sharing videos, like how my medical life is going as I am a new first year MbBS student, how I am studying, and what type of struggles one will have to face. I don't know as yet that how I will face the struggles, or how I will just survive, but with time, as I will come to know about a lot of stuffs in the medical sector, I will also share with you with people. So this is why you must keep watching this channel, keep following this channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, because I see that most of the people who watch my videos, they don't subscribe my channel, but they see and go away. However, don't forget to subscribe, because from now on we're going to get a lot of enjoyable videos, because we have a lack in this type of videos in our country, like making lifestyle related videos of a medical student that many foreigners exactly are doing. These are all that I had to say.